Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are off to Sawbridgeworth to repair a BMW 3 Series. I think it's I can't remember what model he said it was. I think it's a M Sport LCI or something like that. I passed, I can't remember. I'm not the biggest BMW lover, so I'm not really into them, but it's a nice one. It's my mate's and someone smashed into him, and it's Monday morning, pouring down the rain, and I'm having one of them questioning your life choices moments. There's a lot of work to do on this. I don't normally do things like this out on the road. I'll throw some pictures on the screen now so you can see what I'm dealing with. It should really be done inside in a body shop. But basically he's booked me for the week, well, nearly the week, and I'm just going to plod along and do bit by bit and get it looking right again. We're repairing the bonnet, repairing the wing, putting a complete brand new front bumper on it, make it look pretty, polish it all up, and hopefully it will be jobbed. It's going to take me more than a day, and there may be two parts to this little video. Not too sure how it's going to pan out. The weather is supposed to be dry in about an hour's time. It's currently bucketing it down, and then we've got high winds coming, so the joys. We shall see. Let's get over there. I'll show you the damage live. Obviously I only had them pictures. I've gone and seen it anyway, but I only had them pictures to show you. Yeah, let me get over there and I'll show you what we're dealing with, tell you what we're going to do and how we're going to go about fixing it. There is a reason for me fixing it. It's mega expensive for the parts. He's ordered everything he needed from BMWs to complete the front end, but buying a bonnet is an absolute fortune, even second hand, and even buying a damaged one second hand, they're worse than his. Wings are not cheap either, but the repair on the wings, nothing major. So yeah, I'll show you it when we get there. See you in a moment. There we go guys. She's all been dismantled. We put all he's put all the new front end parts on there, headlights and stuff. That's all back together now. Told him to leave the broken bit of bumper there for me. So this is what we've got to deal with. Sort the corner of the bonnet out. I will be doing the whole bonnet, like clearing the whole bonnet on this. We've got the edge of that wing is a little bit mangled, nothing drastic, and then we've got a brand new bumper from BMW to paint complete as well. Yeah, this is our little mission. So let me get some tools out, set you up on time lapse, and we'll start the repair. think we'll open that back door up for us. I don't mind spitting, but I've got a feeling we're going to get not having none of that. Fucking rain in a second. This is electric. Let's get the grinder out of the rain. It's alright, we'll just take our time. Here we go, guys. It's had a couple of little skims. We're still a little bit low there. We're a little bit high over there. Let's liven that up now. It's taking shape. Looking a lot better than it did when we started. Let me crack on, knock up another skim, and hopefully we'll get it looking good soon. There we go, guys. Repair complete. Ready for a bit of primer now. Looking alright. Here we go, guys. Bit of primer on it. All the lines back. This is not bolted on, don't worry about that. The wing gap's good. Swage lines back in. Right, guys. That's me done for today. I think I've been there 6 hours. We just worked out. I've got to get back. Missus got to go to work. So yeah, all repaired and primed, ready to block down and get ready for paint. So yeah, I don't know if that's fast or slow for that kind of repair. It did take me quite a few hours to sort it. And it was battered, so yeah, got there in the end, sorted out all the higher spots, all the lows, and yeah, made it look nice. Put the swage line back in. I'm happy, I'm not bothered. It's one of my mates, and I priced accordingly for the job, regardless, because it was costing him a fortune to do it the other way around anyway. So yeah, this is probably going to be it for part 1, and then part 2 will be sorting the rest out. So as always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.